Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about dividend break-even income calculation for $10,000 monthly income. To begin with, this example shows how much invested capital may be needed to generate $10,000 every month from dividend income. The goal is to estimate a break-even portfolio value, where dividends can help cover a large monthly income target without depending only on selling investments. First, set your monthly break-even income goal. In this example, the target is $10,000 per month. This amount could represent financial freedom, early retirement income, living expenses, or a comfortable passive income goal. Next, convert the monthly income goal into annual income. Since there are 12 months in a year, multiply $10,000 by 12. So, $10,000 times 12 equals $120,000 per year. This means your portfolio would need to generate $120,000 in annual dividend income to reach the $10,000 monthly target. After that, use the dividend yield formula. The formula is simple. Required portfolio value equals annual dividend income divided by dividend yield. In this example, the annual dividend income goal is $120,000, so we divide $120,000 by different dividend yield rates to estimate the required investment amount. For example, if the dividend yield is 3%, then $120,000 divided by 0.03 equals $4 million. This means you may need around $4 million invested to generate $10,000 per month at a 3% yield. Similarly, if the dividend yield is 4%, then $120,000 divided by 0.04 equals $3 million. If the dividend yield is 5%, then $120,000 divided by 0.05 equals $2,400,000. And if the dividend yield is 6%, then $120,000 divided by 0.06 equals $2 million. Therefore, the main takeaway is clear. The higher the dividend yield, the less capital may be needed to generate the same monthly dividend income. However, higher yields can also come with higher risk, so investors should be careful and should not focus only on the biggest yield number. On the other hand, lower yield investments may require a larger portfolio, but they may sometimes offer more stability, stronger dividend history, or better long-term reliability. That is why it is important to focus on quality, consistency, dividend safety, and diversification. In simple terms, to generate $10,000 per month in dividends, you may need about $2 million to $4 million invested, depending on the dividend yield. This gives a clear estimate of the portfolio size needed to reach this break-even income target. Finally, remember that these numbers are only examples. They do not include taxes, fees, inflation, dividend cuts, market risk, or share price changes. Dividend income is not guaranteed, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.